Hi, welcome to the demonstration of the 32Soft Work Order Bill Data Loader. This data loader was designed for QAD users in the operations department who must modify large work order bills in QAD quickly and accurately, and who are looking for ways to improve the entire order fulfillment process. The Work Order Bill Data Loader does just that by eliminating errors and minimizing the labor effort. Let's take a look at how it works. Once we open up the data loader, we must select the correct database first. We click the Setup button to find our database and select it. We can set up as many databases here as needed. We can enter a work order number and press Download to get the current work order bill of materials. As soon as we select any action button for the first time, a login screen appears. All of 32Soft's data loaders use QAD authentication logic to validate user ID and password. So let's log in. The data is downloaded and the sheet now displays all items from the work order bill. We can remove some of the items if not needed and add new items to the work order bill. As this is an Excel sheet, we have all functionalities of Excel, so we can simply copy and paste data from one cell to another. Let's just copy, and then we'll make some edits. We'll change part number and vary the quantity. Once we have reviewed our data, we hit the Update Bill button, and the data will upload into QAD. A pop-up screen displays the status of the upload and will indicate if the upload is successful or not. As with all of our data loaders, Work Order Bill Loader performs data validation against QAD and uploads data only if there are no errors detected. If errors are found, data loaders will return an error message indicating inaccurate data was detected, as we see here. Let's close the status window and use the Find Error button to find the next error in the file. This is especially useful when there are many records. The cell containing the error is highlighted in red, and placing the cursor over the cell will display the reason for the error. We must correct any errors before resubmitting the data. This first error indicates item number not available. Let's fix that and find the next error, which is the same, so let's fix that as well. Let's try to find the next error and fix it. But there are no more errors, so let's try Update Bill again. This time the upload is successful. We can close the status window, and if we want to verify that the information was uploaded properly, we can download again. And we see that the Work Order Bill of Materials was successfully and properly updated in QAD. We can use the Drill Down button to get detailed 16.13.3 Work Order Bill by Order report, which, as we see, is displayed in a pop-up window. As demonstrated, this tool enables you to easily manage Work Order Bill from a convenient spreadsheet. It also eliminates the need to manually manage one record at a time in QAD's maintenance program. 32Soft's Work Order Bill Loader will increase productivity, eliminate errors, and contribute to your bottom line. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your free 60-day trial, email us at contact@32soft.com. And please be sure to visit our website to sign up for our free educational webinars, www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for taking the time to view this demonstration.